If you're watching this video and you're still unsure about joining the listing agent with Angel and Patty Hernandez, stop. Join today. My name is Bryant Alvarado with the KBA Group at Real Brokerage. I've been in business a little over 11 years, and I decided to join the program at the listing agent a month and a half ago. Now for me, it's been incredible. I've been able to secure 3 different listings using the proven strategies and systems within the program. Now, most importantly, there's one tool that I really love, and that's the seller's net sheet. Now, I can tell you that this net sheet helped me secure those 3 listings so much easier than how I used to do it in the past. Now, this just opens up the hood for sellers to be able to see from a bird's eye view how that sale is going to happen. And it helps you overcome every single objection you can have as an agent, from pricing the home to expenses and to commissions. So if this is something that you're looking for to ease your business, make sure you join the listing agent with Angel and Patty Hernandez and join the implementation program. And I hope to see you inside the community. Best of luck.